Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Max Tasty channel. For this month we will be continuing to make more drinks, but for this month's theme we will be doing a second round of Juiceless July, where we'll be focusing on 5 different drinks that don't use fruit juices in their recipes. For this episode we will be starting off the month with the Bourbon Sweet Tea Mint Julep. For this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon or so of loose leaf black tea, or 2 to 3 black tea bags, some mint leaves for your tea, as well as for muddling and garnishing if desired, 3 cups of water, a third cup or so of sugar, 3/4 cup of bourbon if you wish to make it alcoholic, half cup of limoncello, or if you want to make this drink alcohol-free, you can substitute with some lemon oil syrup or lemon juice and some more sugar. And you will need some ice if desired, specifically crushed ice if available. This is enough for 4 servings, so adjust as needed. First we'll prepare the tea, so bring 3 cups of water to a boil, and then remove this from the heat. Add in your tea leaves and mint leaves to the hot water, cover the pot and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes depending on how strong you like it. Once your leaves have steeped to your desired strength, carefully remove and discard the leaves. I recommend putting your loose leaf in a bag for easy removal, but you can also strain it into a separate bowl if needed. Next, add in your sugar and stir until it dissolves. You can add more sugar if you prefer a sweeter drink, but the limoncello will add some more, but if you're not using it, I recommend adding a little bit more sugar now. Then, once your sugar is completely dissolved, let the tea cool. Once your sweet tea is ready, we'll mix together the mint julep. So to your serving glass or mixing glass, add in some mint leaves and a little bit of your sweet tea, and muddle your leaves gently but firmly with a muddler or wooden spoon handle. Then, once you've wilted the leaves, add in 1½ ounces of bourbon and a ½ ounce of limoncello or substitutes, as well as some ice, and then fill the rest with the sweet tea, and then give this a stir. If using a mixing glass, strain out the liquid if you wish to remove the muddled mint from the drink. Otherwise, pour the drink into a tall glass, adding ice if needed. Then garnish with some fresh mint leaves and a lemon peel twist or lemon wedges, and your bourbon sweet tea mint julep is ready to drink. For this drink recipe, because 4th of July is just around the corner, I wanted to make something that represented America in some way. And what better way to do that than with a mint julep? The Kentucky Derby, if you weren't already aware, is a very famous horse race that happens every year on the first Saturday in May at Churchill Downs in Louisville, Kentucky. And because Kentucky is known for its horse racing as well as its bourbon, it's no wonder that the mint julep became the drink of choice at this distinctly American event. But because the mint julep is pretty simple to make, and since it's not Derby time, I thought it would be fun to make an even more southern version of it by adding in some sweet tea. Speaking of the recipe, some of you might be wondering if I forgot about the theme for this month already, since lemons are pretty juicy, but limoncello is actually made with the lemon peels and not the juice at all. I really wanted to add a sour element to this drink, but I wanted to stick to the theme, and I found the perfect substitute to lemon juice. Speaking of substitutes, you can make the lemon oil syrup pretty easily by peeling some lemon skins and then placing them in some sugar for at least 2 hours or overnight in the fridge, and then after waiting, set some water to boil and then pour it over the sugar and lemon peel mixture. Give this a stir, and then once all the sugar is dissolved, allow it to cool to room temperature and it should be ready to use. But, of course, you are not bound by the theme when you make your drink, so use whatever you like. So, although you can say it's not in keeping with the theme by using these loopholes, it is technically juiceless. And I'm the one making the rules, so anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it. Let me know if there's anything you want me to make next. Like the video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. Happy 4th of July, everyone! And because Kentucky is known for its horse racing,